Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram. So if I go ahead and click on my profile in the uppermost left hand side, that will take me into like my Instagram story. And here you can see that it's asking me about allowing for pictures and recording videos. I'm going to simply just click do not allow there for the moment. And if I click on the camera here guys, you realize it's asking me to allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone. Now I can either tap right and open settings right here and it will take me there, or I'm going to walk you through how to find this manually, right, step by step. So I'm going to go ahead and open up settings on my phone here, and then you want to scroll down to where you find the apps, right? So you want to type on apps there, and then you want to simply click on search and you want to type in Instagram, right? So once you find Instagram, open that. Now just simply go ahead and open up the permissions option, and here you will see all that is allowed. So as you can see, for the moment I have location, contacts, notification, phone, and photos and videos allowed. But if I scroll down a bit, you realize I have the camera not allowed. So you want to tap on that and you want to click allow while using the app, right? So go ahead and click back again. Then you want to do the same for the microphone and allow both of them. Now both of them are allowed. As you can see, they're now under the allowed section. So if I go back to Instagram now guys, you realize that it is now allowed. Very easy and very simple. And that's how you go about to allow your camera and microphone on Instagram. Really hope that you found this useful guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.